Want to win that Ticketmaster war for you and your friends? I got you. Hi Nai! Today, I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how I always win a Ticketmaster war. This advice is coming from somebody who went to BLACKPINK, got Bruno Mars tickets for 2026, and got 12 tickets for BTS during the presale. Different countries and different cities. Not for me, I'm not a scalper. It's for friends and family because I always get tickets. So they told me, let's just let Kyla do it. And I want you to win, so listen carefully. Step 1. Turn off Wi-Fi on all of the devices in your house that you're not using. Your phone, your laptop, a PC, turn off the TV, turn off everything so that nothing interferes when you are trying to buy your ticket. This is what works for me, okay? I'm not crazy. So I just turn off all of the Wi-Fi, and that's my step 1. Step 2. I always copied my presale code. If there's a presale code for BTS, I copied my ARMY membership code immediately, so it's just there and I can just paste it as soon as I get in. Step 3. Fill in your payment method. I cannot stress how important this is. You don't want to be putting your card in at the moment. You only have 10 minutes to check out a ticket. You think that's a long time? It is not. Fill in your payment method. It's in your settings. Just fill that in beforehand and you're going to thank yourself. Step 4. Study the map. Before I buy a ticket, I always either know the map so I know where I'm going to sit, or have a screenshot of the map right next to me and make sure I know what section I want or where I want to click when I'm in and I can buy the ticket. This is really important because you don't want to waste your time looking around where would be the best seat. No, you have to pre-plan. We do not have time for that. You are against millions of armies. So you're going to want to click where you want to sit. Okay, this is not just for the BTS specifically, but you are against a lot of people for all concerts, so make sure you know where you want to sit. Okay, so those are my pre-queue tips. 1 is to turn off all the Wi-Fi devices. 2, copy your presale code. 3, fill in your payment method. And 4, have a screenshot or study the map right next to you. Okay, step 5. This is an hour before the pre-sale or the sale opens, okay? For me, I always want the waiting page. I always have the page for the tickets where it's gonna go live open an hour before. I don't know, I just always have that open an hour before so that I'm ready for anything. And I think it helps. Step 5. Reload the page when the timer says 30 minutes because that's when the queue actually opens. Not a lot of people know this, so reload the page and then you're gonna see the join waiting room button and click that and you're gonna be in the queue. Now, this is where things get a bit controversial. Step 6, this is what I always do, and mind you, these are my queue positions, okay? I always reload the page when it says less than a minute left. I always do, and it always works for me, so try with caution. That's what I always do. And I got always 4 number positions, and I think that's pretty good. So yeah, try with caution. Good luck. Now, step 7, what to do when you're in. As I said before, you should have a map right next to you so you know where you're gonna sit. If you know where you're gonna click, perfect, click away, but that can be really hard because you have to zoom in, zoom out. If you know where you're gonna go click, do that. I think that's really, really foolproof. But you can also control F for the people who don't know where they want to sit or don't know what number specifically. If they have a range that they know, like 111 to 115, I do control F and I put that number in, and it's going to show me on the side if those are still available. And then I'll click it, and then I'll just click how many number of tickets I want. Basically, that is all of my tips and tricks. I got in. I don't even know how I got this lucky, but I just wanted to share. I don't know how I got so lucky enough to help my friends and family get their tickets, and I just want everybody else to win, so that's why I'm sharing these tips and tricks. Now, it's currently 9 o'clock today, and I hope you see the video today before general sale for BTS. Very best of luck, and I hope to see you guys there at the concert. These tips and tricks work for you. Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to congratulate you, and maybe give me a subscribe. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.